Hello everyone, this is your dear bee farm. I told you guys I was going to relocate one of my hive to the location, permanent location. So that is what I've done. I came by 6 a.m. You can see it behind with my cousin. He's helping me. So all I did was came when the day is still dark, the time they've not started foraging. So I used the net to cover the whole box and we lifted it out. So let me turn the camera. This is my cousin carrying the colony of bee on his. So we are going to the at the other apiary where other boxes are to keep it there so that everything will be together. So I will see you guys when I get there.